So, hi, dear Libra. Very, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a journal love reading for all the Libra Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 1st till the 7th of September. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, this is not your story. Want to be a reader like me? You can purchase my courses. Links are given below in the description box for tarot reading course, self love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass. For personal reading and healing sessions, check out the description box. You will find the links below. So, let's start. Yeah, Virgo. Sorry, Libra. Libra. Let's see the overall energy for the connection right now, or the overall message for the connection for Libra people right now is we have the Hierophant. Libra, you guys might be having some kind of cultural differences or spiritual issues, or you guys might not be able to come on the same page when it comes to the commitment, marriage, or long term partnership kind of a deal. And or for both of you who are already married, both of you are facing might be some kind of issues in that marriage related to your cultural background or sorry belief system, or you guys are not able to take it to the next level for some reason. But because of this situation, a lot of spiritual growth is happening individually also, and as a couple also, both of you are growing a lot in your spiritual area, even if you guys are not able to notice it right now. This situation is calling for help from a person who is, an expert in relationship, an expert in marriage, an expert in counseling or healing, somebody who can, help you guys to reconnect again in some way. So this situation is calling for both of you to look for the differences based on your cultural background, based on your belief system, based on your spiritual level, and you guys can make things work out on a deeper level with a deeper understanding. Okay, this situation is all about doing the spiritual healing in the connection, okay, or dealing the situation with spirituality, with the spiritual understanding. Okay, why whatever is happening in your situation, and what you guys should do in the situation in a proper manner. Let's see your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment. Let's see what we have, Libra. We have the Two of Swords. Libra, this person is feeling like they are on the crossroads, not being able to see the clear picture of the situation. They're feeling blocked in the situation, blocked by their own thoughts, and they definitely are not able to see what's going on and what's going to happen next. Let's see this person's feelings, clarification here. What's going on? We have the Three of Pentacles, the Knight of Pentacles, the Temperance. So this person is feeling like things are stagnant, and they feel like they should remain patient in the situation, and with time everything is going to be healed. With time you guys will be able to sort it out, and there might be chances of coming together, coming back together as a team, and right now they're not sure what's happening and what's going to happen next, but they feel like they should remain patient and optimistic and positive, and open to the idea of this situation working out at some point of time, maybe not immediately. Okay, they feel like maybe taking help from somebody in order to bring this connection or bring this situation back to life, because right now it's not going anywhere and the energies are very, very stagnant. Okay, stuck also, stuck and stagnant. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Libra? Five of Wands, you feel like this is too much drama, this is too much chaos, this is too much chaos, conflict that you have to deal with, and other people, other situations, or other energies are making it worse somehow. Let's clarify this Five of Wands. We have the World card, the Strength card, the Devil. Yeah, you're feeling like you are trapped in a devil's trap, and even if you are trying your best to end this cycle and this chapter, it's not ending. The attachment is still there, the codependence is still there, the obsessive possessive energies are still there. It is taking, you feel like it's taking a lot of strength and courage for you to end this chapter for good, but it's not going anywhere. It keeps on coming back in circles, maybe sometimes physically, maybe maybe energetically, and it's definitely affecting your relationship with other people also, whether it's an internal chaos, internal conflict, internal drama that you're going through, and or this is something that's going on physically in the physical world. You are trying to get rid of it, and you are feeling like you are trapped in a devil's trap, and even if you are trying your best to get out of it, you are not able to get rid of it. Okay, it's like under your skin, it's not going anywhere. Okay, let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, Libra? Three of Pentacles. This person wants to make this work out. This fell apart, like this fell from the deck. Three of Pentacles and the Lovers. This person definitely wants to make things work out. They want this collaboration, partnership, coming together, coming back together as a team, and somehow making it work out. This is their intention to reconnect and make it work. Okay, let's see. Let's clarify this Three of Pentacles here. We have the Eight of Pentacles, the Five of Cups, and the Six of Wands. You know, this person wants to put in the effort and energy to come out of the guilt and regret and come out of all the bad things or bad experiences that happened in the situation. And they want to have a successful and victorious connection where both of you are enjoying it properly. Their feelings and their intentions are good, but where is the love? I don't see any love here. I do see attraction, I do see pull, because the Lovers is here. It's underlying energy, it's not fully full on love kind of feelings here. Where is the love? I don't know. It's like because you are their comfort zone, because it's comfortable with you, they want it back, and they somehow want to make it work out. I don't know how that works, but this is what they are routing for. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Libra? Oh god, I have to reshuffle. Nine of Wands. So from your side, you just want to keep your guards up as high as possible, because you are too hurt to participate in this drama anymore, and you are just in this fighting mode right now, that if somebody is going to say something to you, you are going to show them who you are, and you don't want to open up at all. Let's clarify the Nine of Wands. We have the Fool card, the Seven of Pentacles, the Queen of Swords. Right? You just want to cut this crap of waiting and waiting and waiting for things to improve, and you just want to jump into the unknown. Like you don't want to know what's going to happen next. You just want to be surprised by the universe, and you are like, okay, I know the universe got my back and everything is happening the way it should, but for this person, this situation, or this type of people, I'm never going to open up. I'm ready to move forward in my life, jump into the unknown, and uh, have a good life. But I don't want to wait for anything or anyone to show up in my life. Let it happen unexpectedly. Let the universe surprise me. Let the divine surprise me. Okay, okay, your intentions are cool. Let's see what could be the possible outcome for you guys till the. My goodness, what is wrong? Come back, honey. Let's see. 7th of September, Libra. Okay, come back. We have the Queen of Swords. It's like cutting the crap, cutthroat energy of this is what it is and how it is going to be. No crap taken. Okay, let's clarify this. Queen of Swords. We have the Ace of Pentacles, the King of Pentacles, the Eight of Swords. Okay, an opportunity is going to knock at your door, but your overthinking is going to make you feel like, nope, maybe this is not the person for me, maybe this is not the energy for me. I am going to keep myself closed off. I don't care. It might be a person or situation that you had already an encounter with at some point of time. I don't think you had a relationship with this particular person or energy that's coming towards you. It could be a job or career offer, by the way, because it's pentacles. For some of you, it's a love offer. Somebody who is seeing you as a potential partner, or they think that you can be the one for them, and it's approaching you. And when it's approaching you, you might cut them in the middle only, in the middle path only, like, I don't care, I don't want it, cut this crap, I don't want it. And then after cutting this crap out of your life, out of your system, cutting this situation, you are going to be continuously overthinking about whatever you did was the right thing or not. Was it the right thing? Was I too rude? Was I too much? Was I too quick? uh, it's like somebody approaching you, and even before they are going to tell you the whole truth or whole story, you are going to be like, I don't care, I don't want it, not interested. And then you are going to overthink it continuously. This is what Libras do, air signs, all of you guys, using a lot of mind over their heart and then continuously thinking what they should have done. Okay, so an opportunity trying to knock at your door, you cutting it, and you are kind of continuously thinking like, okay, so should, my god, did I do the right thing, or was it too much, or was it not necessary, or I should have, I should have done something totally different, or maybe I should have taken the offer, or maybe this, or maybe that. That is going to be the outcome for you guys. For you, the guidance here is the Strength card. Before saying anything or before doing anything is in this direction, take a step back, take your time, understand this situation properly and honestly with all of your heart and soul. Include your mind, but if it is telling you the good things or good energies or good vibes, or if it is telling you like a friend, not like an enemy, like an enemy. So take your time, take a step back, understand this chapter, understand this situation properly and honestly with all of your heart and soul. Give it some time, then make up your mind, then make up your choice, and then do something that you feel like you should be doing. Okay, that's the deal here. That's the deal here. Cool. So thank you. So okay. We have another section. Okay, Libra. You can ask your question from the tarot, from the oracle card. This one, crystal ball. So you can ask one question related to your love and relationship area. Be very very specific, and use as many less words as you can. Okay, close your eyes, keep your head clear, ask your question 3 times in your mind, and I'm going to give you the answer after 10 seconds. Okay, so close your eyes, take 2 3 deep breaths, ask your question 3 times in your mind, and I'm going to give you the answer. Let's see. Okay, the cards are flying so much in your reading. Okay, so you have the answer as get more information. You need to get more information about this situation. This is what came in the guidance as well. Yeah, that's the answer for you guys. Cool. So thank you so much for tuning in, Libra. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.